So we're at the McAfee Knob parking, and we're going to be hitting McAfee Knob, Tinker's Cliff today. Yesterday was Dragon's Tooth, and we decided to take it a little bit easier, rest up a bit. We had North Mountain the day before, and that was a beast. So yeah, here we go, about 12 miles, and looking forward to it. The trail to McAfee Knob. A lot of it's like this rocky stepping stone. Really pretty trail. All right, so we're approaching McAfee's Knob. Just kidding. It's mini McAfee's Knob. We just had a team moment. We none of us had trail names. And for those of you that don't know, if you do the Appalachian Trail or you're a hiker, backpacker, it is community knowledge and responsibility and duty to have a trail name. And so Mark Baston got named with Mountain Goat, because if you can climb it, scale it, traverse it, ascend it, descend it,
I'll do it.
Anything, the Mountain Goat is going to do it, and with haste and style. And we've got Mike Lowry back here. Mark's a caring dude. He is always checking in on everybody. He's a strong, powerful guy. He's fit, he's mobile, and he's just a great guy. And so we called him Captain America, like Captain America and the Avengers. Bobby over here has been struggling with his knees. North Mountain did him dirty.
Oh, yeah.
And so he actually named himself Sweet Knees. And obviously, we thought that was a great name.
Yes.
And so he is Sweet Knees. And then someone, I don't know who brought up Water Buffalo. Bobby brought up Water Buffalo. So I drank 2-3 times the amount of water that these guys do. And so they've called me Water Buffalo. That's in the, right now, that's the running one for me, Water Buffalo, and I accept. It's just Sweet Knees wandering off into the wilderness. Him saying is getting his goat status, like Mountain Goat, aka Mark Baston. I think that was Bobby letting out a little bleep there. Good job, Sweet Knees. Alrighty, we're approaching McAfee's Knob. I believe this is the big one.
Sound like my wife. Oh my god.
I'm so glad I got that on video.
What's that? Pause this here. I don't think you can see the other ones from here.
Who do I want to wear? Alright. Simba, everything the light touches is ours.
Famous last words.
So that's North Mountain.
How was that descent?
That's what we climbed the first day. And now we're going along this ridge over here to the very top there and then down to Andy Lane Trail. Well, that is Andy Lane Trail.
Drop 7 real quick. Down to be 3,000 feet. Let's see. 3 miles. There's a marker.
Alright, so we just finished McAfee's Knob, and old mountain goats over there was almost hanging off the side of the cliff.
Not quite.
It's a great picture from right here. It looks like he's gonna fall off.
But on our way to Tinker Cliff, this is the view so far on the trail. Look how pretty that is. Whoop, let's zoom out like that. Oh, that is beautiful. Do you know it would suck if you met a black bear in here?
No escape.
Things would go bad pretty quickly, I think. It would be an interesting fight. Five miles to Tinker Cliffs, and I'd say we're like what? Not even half a mile from McAfee's Knob right now, right? So I would say the distance between McAfee's Knob and Tinker Cliff is at most 5.5, probably less. It was absolutely beautiful scenery in terms of the natural foliage. This is this trail. We're probably about a mile away from McAfee's Knob now, if that, on our way to Tinker's Cliff. But just take a look how gorgeous this is. Just so lush. Trail is really nice here. We're on some pretty cool rocky section back there, more technical. Right now this is pretty, sorry buddy, right now this is pretty easy going, at least in terms of the actual trail itself. Pretty steep descent, we're not looking forward to the ascent. What's happening, buddy?
How's it going?
All right, seeing you, bro.
Nicely done, man. You got the big back.
All right, so this is a cool, probably down the hill there. This is a cool little camping spot, probably about a mile away from McAfee's Knob on the way to Tinker Cliff. You could probably put a couple of tents up over here. Hey Mark, both Marks, do you know that you can't run in a campground? You can only ran because it's all past tents. Alrighty, super exciting. First snake